Hi, under this log concept series, this is one another video where it is important to understand that when you are going to use the SAP log, how the system behave. So that's why this question over here to you. Do you think that when you use SAP log, another session or user will not be able to change that particular record without handling this on the program level? What do you think? Just write your answer in the comment box. Once again, this question, what actually I'm trying to ask, let me explain it. Suppose I'm going to change one asset number for a particular company code. So here I'm going to lock that one. So another user, if he's trying to change the same record of ANLA table, you know, will he able to do, right, without handling in program? Answer is no. He will have to handle in the program. What actually I'm trying to tell it over here, like, see, let me comment all this, and you know, I'm just commenting this one, and one statement I'm just going to put it. uh, Save this one, check the syntax, click on this activate button, put the breakpoint over here, and I want to lock few records. So I'm just going to run it. Okay, our record is now locked. You can see that record will be locked. 1 second, actually I'm passing this collect equal to X. This I have to remove. So this just pass blank so that immediately record will be locked. Otherwise, we'll have to use this function module if you want to lock all the records by passing X, right? That's why I removed it over here, so that immediately it will lock it. Fine, so I'm locking it once again. Just execute this one and you will be able to see that the 5 records will be locked because I have executed that transaction. So these are the 5 records which got, locked. Now slash so AC, let's go to one another transaction, and here I'm going to create one more program. And in this, what basically I'm trying to do that, select up to 5 rows, the same, same I'm just getting and putting this loop here and end loop, and here maybe w underscore asset hyphen description. Okay, so just this and maybe select a star from this into this is now fine, and here description. So I'm just looking for description is txt50 over here, for this particular, just giving this changing the value. Okay, and modify the table ANLA from WA underscore asset. We are not supposed to modify the table, the standard table like this. This is very bad practice, but here, because I'm taking this uh, I'm taking this test data since beginning, I don't have any other choice, so I'm directly modifying, but you don't do, maybe in demo or test system is fine, but in production we're not supposed to do. So in order to change the data, some standard table, some standard master data, we are supposed to use the BAPI. Okay, fine, just save this one and check this, and you can see that there is no error. So what I'm trying to tell that all those 5 records which is locked over here, will you be able to modify it over here? You know, will you be able to modify it over here? You have to give the answer. Now, hopefully your now I believe my question is now very clear, right? Already the records are locked. Am I able to modify the same record? See, the same select query I'm putting. So uh, hopefully like it's going to select the same set of records. We will see in debugging. So if it is going to select the same set of records here, then because the same set of records is locked, will it allow to modify the same records over here, right? That is the question. Please write your answer in the comment section. Pause the video, write the answer if you want to take some time. No, fine. Answer is no. Why? Because this lock which we have applied over here, this is logical lock. This lock is known as logical lock. Okay, this is the logical lock. This is the virtual lock. This is not the actual lock. Actual lock is the DB lock. DB lock is also known as the physical lock. Physical lock is the actual lock. So using the enqueue or dequeue function module, you know, we play with the logical lock. Okay, using the lock object, SAP lock object concept, we play with the logical lock, which is there get locked at the application server layer using the enqueue server. Using the enqueue server, this is the dedicated server at our application server. This server is responsible for maintaining the log centrally in the shared memory of SAP application server. Okay, so let's go and try to do and see how it's working. So we have written this code over here and then write testing something like that. Okay, so if you just save this one, activate this, I'm just putting commit work and wait statement just to make sure that it is going to get updates synchronously, right? Commit work and wait, that means nothing but it will update the database synchronously. Okay, so now put the breakpoint over here and here also just execute this and press F6 W underscore asset. So in this, see 800 IN10 and 3000, right? 800 IN10 3000 and sub number should be 001. So perfectly fine. The same entry we are getting it over here. So same entry, if you try to modify it, it will not create any problem. See here, it got modified. Size bar C is 0. There is no problem. Again, the another entry which is locked. See here 3001 and 0000 and it's a IN10, right? So if you come here, see IN10 000 and this is 3001, all right? Yes, this is also 3001 and 4 times 0, 4 times 0. So same lock argument means same record. We are trying to go and update it. So you can see that this also is able to update perfectly fine. Similarly, you can see that all those records is updating perfectly fine, right? So at DB layer, like if you go and check it out for those data, let's go and quickly check it out. /o SE16 in LA. At this moment, the data would have not been changed because the commit work is not executed and we are there in the same session. So just in order to make sure that uh, what I'm explaining, it's making sense, here, these are the stuff. So come here and put this one. And then we have this one and then IN10, right? and then IN10, IN10, and TXT50 I'm updating. So TXT50, TXT50, right? So currently you can see that the data is not updated, right? However, in buffer it is updated because it didn't give, any kind of problem. Size over 0. When you are going to put this commit work and wait, you will be able to see that text 50 changing the value will be updated. Everywhere changing the value will come when you refresh. Okay, so I'm going to fire this commit work and wait. So it has been updated now, and come here, just to refresh this, and you can see that the data is changed now. So now my question to you over here, did you understand that when though you have put this lock over here, lock is still there. See here, still the lock is there because I'm here in debugging. Okay, I'm here in debugging. Okay, see here, I'm here in debugging. The record is locked. Still I was able to use, I was able to do the changes in this particular program. Okay, in this particular program I was able to do the changes. If you think that it could have given the error, no, it will not give you the error, because that is just a logical lock. In order to handle the logical lock, you have to handle that in the program. How to handle that logical lock in the program, that we will see in the next video. If you want to learn the same kind of stuff, you know, if you want to learn ABAP from scratch to advanced level, then I have prepared a course called SAP ABAP Made Easy. You can go and check it out, this entire package, you know, on this one, saptechmedigi.com/courses. This is the URL I will be giving into the comment section. And if you want to learn in depth, you can go and get out this course from here. This course will contain ABAP Medigi, iDoc, Adobe Form, ABAP interview question and answer, which will help you to crack the interview. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video, where we will see that how to check the SAP logical lock is there in the system somewhere or not, that we will see in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.